All right, this is gonna be a super quick video here. I got a 2019 Transit Connect here. Rodney bought this thing. It was wrecked in the front end. He is fixing it to use for his business. So real fast, we need to find the fuse box because his ECM got hit. And when we put the new ECM in for me to program it, it's not showing up because I'm pretty sure it blew the fuse. The fuse panel, and that's why you're at this video, is ridiculous. All right, here we go. So you'll come here, you got your battery over there, you got this cover that says fuse on it. It's like, great, good, great, grand, let's take that off. Now you expect to find fuses, but you don't. You find two plugs. And it's like, huh? So now what you gotta do is release these two plugs. There's one, there's two. So we're gonna unplug these guys. There's one, there's two. The car doesn't like that with the battery hooked up, but it'll be fine. You probably want to disconnect your battery if you do what I'm doing here right now. And once you got these plugs disconnected, you have these two tabs. You got one back here. Oh, I'm probably blocking the light with my hand. You got one here, one here. So we're going to squeeze both of those tabs, and we're going to lift this whole unit out. And be very careful with it. I'm going to need two hands. Just like that. Once you get this unit, which you cannot drop, if you drop it, you got to scrap it, it says. You flip it over, gently set it down upside down like this, then you pull this tab, there you go, fuses. It's the craziest thing I've ever seen. That is so dumb. But there it is, Transit Connect fuses. And there you have it. We found our PCM fuse. It was right up here in this spot, blown, just as I suspected. He's gonna run to the store and get one, but yeah, if the video helped you out, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you want to see more.